Hey guys, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we're comparing two mental health and wellness apps, and they are Liven app and Worry What. Both can help you reduce stress and boost emotional well-being, but in very different ways. So don't forget, this might be a finance channel, but health is also wealth. Good health is very, very important. While you're chasing after the big buck, while you're chasing after money, you need to have good health, which is why we're doing this review for you. You need to download at least one of these apps to help you out. So we're going to start with Liven app and Worry Watch. We'll look at their main focus. Liven app is mainly focused on AI-powered daily mental health support, while Worry Watch is focused on anxiety and worry tracking app. We'll look at their ease of use. Liven app is a chat-based AI wellness coach, while Worry Watch uses journalism style manual entries. While the key strengths of Liven app is mood check-ins, stress advice, personalized support. While that of Worry Watch is logs worries, tracks patterns, and CBT inspired reflections. When we look at the price, Liven app has a free plan plus affordable premium plan, while Worry Watch has a one-time purchase for iOS app. Then we look at who or what they are best for. Liven app is best for users who want instant guidance and daily motivation, while Worry Watch is best for people managing anxiety and self-reflection lovers. Lastly, what output do you get? Liven app gives you conversational tips and nudges, while Worry Watch gives you reports, charts, and personal worry trends. So in conclusion, Liven app works like a supportive AI buddy. It checks in on your mood, offers instant advice, and gives daily encouragement. Worry Watch, on the other hand, is more of a self-help tool. You log your worries, reflect later, and see patterns that help you manage anxiety over time. So if you want daily AI-driven support and quick stress relief tips, then Liven app is a great choice. But if you prefer tracking and reflecting on your worries to manage anxiety long-term, then Worry Watch is the better fit. So which one would you choose 2025? Liven app or Worry Watch? Let us know in the comments.